Alright, let's confirm what we done. We actually look K&N Filter. Inside we got this old one, so we already popped in the new one. And when you get your new K&N Filter, look, it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, social media. Look on this old one. This old one was the same K&N Filter. We replace it with just where is the module? This Aero 1041 for the Hellcat swap kit. As you can see, remove these stickers off, and definitely they always give you a new sticker. It's like you replace the air filter and you get the nice lovely new sticker. So we need to get sticker that one off. This one is a little bit shorter lines, that one was a little bit longer lines, but not that big deal. This one we pop it in because there is a rubber, we put some seals on, so this one have to be removed afterwards. And yes, already swapped the expansion tank for the coolant, and then is new one swapped in. Yes, this is a pump for the steering. We got a new belt on and pulleys on, as well replaced the bearings. So the Hellcat is getting more ready for Riga Auto Exotic 2024 from the 19th to the 21 April. It's Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so all welcome. This is the Baltic Car Show, and definitely I hope so that Hellcat gonna go pretty good on there. Still need to put some cap top on screen washer. So what else did we done? Actually nothing, just swap the oils. Just need to do some more fixings, but that's we gonna do a little bit later, because we need still to do a lot of it with the brakes. But now the challenge is how to remove a tin. Yes, the tin, the glass tin, is need to be removed. We a little bit clean out the interior. Look on this cutty thing. Oh yes, love that thing. Yeah, this is just beautiful Challenger SRT. It was pretty much dirty, so we cleaned that out. That rubber is cleaned. SRT. The inside interior is just nice, but we have this glass tin. So let's start to work with that. Okay, guys, what we need. Let's take some heat. Do we have heat prepared? So prepare the heat. Guys, we'll prepare everything and we will start just shortly. I would say probably you need very good skills, but actually you just need to heat it up and it comes out pretty much easy. Look, and no glue, no left glue, because you normally heat it up. Just make sure you're not overheat it, otherwise the screen, not the screen, but the window can broke or blow up if it's overheated. But normally, look, it's just easy and easy, yes? It's just heat, yes? Oh, good. Is it going? Pull it up more. Need to help from another side. Oh, there's still need a little bit more. Don't please overheat, just only that. Good. This sounds really good. That's what we need to do. We need to do there, then we need to go from that side. Also we need to do a rear, we need to do it this side. It's completely dark, it's fully black style. Completely black style. I really like that color. Actually, black decision. It's pretty much good. Easy, yes? Yes. Coming out easy. What I will do, I think so, I prefer keep going with the K&N logo. I think to need to get this thing off, so just pull it off. Not the easiest way. I think probably in here as well need to be something to heat up. Yes, it's not easy stuff. Definitely it's not easy. I think so, I need to heat a little bit up this as well. Keep going. No, I can't do it.